In this module, we will work on the second task from the saving workbooks skill, save to your OneDrive. Let's move to our Excel file. This is from our previous lesson. Please go to Backstage and click Save As. And the Backstage view under Save As, click your OneDrive account. If you are signed in, your email address will be here. If you are not signed in, you have to click it. You will get a sign in dialog box where you will have to enter your username and password. I'm not going into that. That is simple process. When you click OneDrive, you will enter your username and password, and you will on clicking OK, you will come back to this Backstage, and your email address will be displayed here as it is shown. So click on OneDrive. So we have this Excel lesson 2 already present in our OneDrive. Let me delete this first, and we will make a new folder. So you will click on this OneDrive, and in order to save your file in a new folder, let's create a folder with new folder button, and I will name it the same Excel lesson 2 as we saved our folder on the desktop. Excel lesson 2, click OK. So you have a new folder now. Click on this. Now you are inside the Excel lesson 2 folder, and we will save our file here. We will save it with the same name as we saved our previous file on the desktop, and click Save to save your file in the OneDrive. Let's check that. Go to Backstage and click Open. Click on your OneDrive, and you see that it's in your folder Excel lesson 2. You have this file saved on your OneDrive. So please keep your go back from the Backstage and leave this file open for your next exercise.